Trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Hey, we're here at Miss Gift Spa and Salon.
Makeup. Na? Yan ang anuhin mo. Yung may ano-ano, may mga ano-ano lang dito. Tapos liquid eyeliner.
It's master. Cute. Yeah.
Sila na bahala doon sa mga lagyan ng bilao. Okay. Bahala sila kung rumble arrangement. Tapos ito, ibigay mo lang. So, wait. Sakyan din mo. Oo, pagka aalis kayo, mamaya.
It's your day. It's your day today. Yay! Yay! Pababa na kami cause another photo shoot. Yay! And ito, we are all maraming dala. Bawal makita yung gown. The sun is so good.
Isip na namin, mag-ball gown siya dito ng buhat.
Pagod na siya.
Hey guys. Hi everyone.
Yay!
Akit kami ngayon sa room, babalik kami. Kasi katatapos lang mag-shoot ng ganitong outfit.
And I'm her assistant. Okay, tara na. Bilisan. Okay. Look at the view, guys, ng aming hotel room. Wow. Wow.
Tingin lang mo sa sofa. Huwag lang yan. Once more. Tingin mo sa sofa. Ay, sorry.
Hey guys, so ngayon papunta na kami sa venue kasi it's her debut. Ayoko ipakita yung gown, so mukha niya lang. Kasi surprise yung gown. Yay! Ang ganda niya.
Surprise ko lang yung gown.
Yay! Happy birthday, Colleen. Look at the stage, guys. It's so pretty. Okay, hanggang dun lang makikita niyo si Colleen. So, ayun po sila. Parang nasistress na po. And ito naman po si Colleen. Andyan na sila. Nakikita pa na sila. Na kailangang magtago kasi ang dami ng tao sa labas. Bawal siya makita kasi surprise yung look niya.
Kinakabahan na ako, guys.
Okay lang yan.
Wala pa ako nakikita ang teachers ko.
So, as of now, it's 6:35 and nasa kotse si Colleen May. Kinakabahan daw siya. And ilang minuto na lang magsa-start na ang debut niya! Yay! Yay! Okay. You'll see more later. Babush!
Uy, dinidikit mo ako lagi. social media manager. Apat! Parang sobra po! Ilan? Dito kaya. Hello, what's your name?
Jewel po. 3.
Three! Okay, that is correct! Ayan. Ayan. Correct! Okay. Another Jollibee GC. And now, ito medyo tricky lang to, pero I think mahuhulaan pa rin natin. What is her favorite chocolate? Ano po kayo paboritong chocolate ng ating debutant? Ha? Yung mga kasama niyo kumain ng chocolate or bumili ng chocolate? Starts with letter M, starts with letter A. Pwedeng M or A. Yung isang M, yung isa starts with A. Ha? Next? Ha? Tears or not tears? Yes, that is correct! Ayan! Okay, now 10 to 3. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to our young ladies and gentlemen who are gathered here to make this night unforgettable. Ladies and gents, our lovely and blooming Davidan, the one and only Pauline, May, and Lazarde. There you go. A big round of applause, please. Of course, didn't forget to look at the camera. Of course, do not forget to look at the camera. Ayan. Sa mga 18 Roses participants, so kung natin kalimutan ngumiti. Ayan. But the torn surgeon's droplets Of course, didn't forget to look at the camera. Thank you so much.
Uy, crush ko yan. Hindi, yung isa yun. Sino dyan? Sino dyan? Pini ko yun doon.
Of course, don't forget to look at the camera. Alright, and now ladies and gentlemen, as all the participants of the Hypnosis, po natin. There you go. Hi. So, Colleen, happy birthday. Colleen, you've always been the leader type. I know that the people you're surrounded with are more than happy to be in your presence. You're charming, bubbly, who's willing to accept anyone with open arms.
Hi, everybody! Happy birthday! And ayun, I just want to say na lagi rin ako nakikinig sa mga chika mo. And I will always look forward.
Happy birthday, Nina. Wish ko lang sa'yo na lagi kang good health and sana lagi ka din mag-iingat. Happy birthday.
Aww, thank you, Ayana. Picture mo na kayo? Alright, and now let's walk. Okay, DJ, music please. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. For a while before that, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, make a wish. Alright. Now can you light that candle once again? Or Davita, that's a special request kasi very meaningful for her. That's a one of birthday niya na Liza. Gusto daw niya kakakasin si Zach with her. DJ, let's have one more time. Ayan, yung mas mabilis ng happy birthday. Ayan. Zach also. Ayan. Ayan. Please join them as well. Alright. So, same po ang birthday ni Zach at ni Colleen. That's actually December 27. Ayan. But of course, let's have another round of happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, make a wish kayo ulit ni Ate Colleen. Sabay niyo bubog. In 3, 2, 1, go! Alright! Let's have a photo with Ate Colleen.
Just one day in the water with you, baby. It's so easy.
Nowhere now!
Thank you for the ice cream soda and black delicious strawberries. Ice cream milk.
More? Ayan. Yes, Nino. Go, Nino. Yes.
kami. Kaso nung tumanda na, medyo tumalat na yung aming pagkikita kasi naging busy. So we are very, very happy.
Something that will last. First and foremost, happy 80th birthday. And thank you for inviting me in this glamorous debut. Wow. I hope that you're happy.
Please join Colleen in front and share us your thoughts.
Your friend. Kasi ikaw yung one of the most genuine and kind-hearted na tao na nakilala ko talaga sa buhay. And yun, I'd like to express my gratitude din po sa parents ni Colleen. Tito and tita, thank you po kasi you raised Colleen very well. Pero
All the best. And always do the right thing. Always pray and ask guidance to God na i-guide ka niya kung saan ka man pupunta. And ayun, hindi ko maisip kung ano yung gift na pwede kong ibigay sa'yo. Pero I remember when you were my student, you are very responsible and hardworking.
Friendship kayo sa mga fans ko. Hi, Colleen! Happy birthday! Nahirapan ako, di ba? Mag-chat tayo. Sabi ko, nahirapan akong isipan kung ano yung ibibigay ko sa'yo kasi parang feeling ko, lahat naman na nabigay sa'yo, di ba? Kaya sabi ko, ano nga ba yung something kay Colleen na every time na magkikita tayo sa school, kahit hindi na ako yung
Hello, Colleen. Happy birthday. Sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko. Magugustuhan mo yan. Alam nyo, masasabi ko lang po yung sobrang na-appreciate namin to si Colleen kasi kahit na malayo na siya sa amin sa Nangka, still nagbibigay pa rin siya ng time para bisitahin talaga kami. Nakaka-touch. At saka masaya lagi kami kapag nandun siya.
Si Colleen, napakabait na bata. So, nung grade 5 po kasi, ako yung teacher niya. Grabe, nabibilib ako dito kasi mula grade 5 hanggang grade 12 na, bumibisita po yan sa school. So, nagkikwento, yung mga crochet niya, binibigyan niya po kami. So, na-appreciate ko po yun. So, lagi ko siyang tinatanong, ano ba talaga yung pangarap mo? Gusto niya po talagang maging business. And I pray na maging successful ka sa business na tatahakin mo. I pray na bigyan ka ni Lord ng wisdom, discernment, kung ano ba talagang gagawin mo.
Napakabait talaga. Lahat kami na napapabigyan sa'yo. Naiyak ako kanina sa mga message ng mga classmates, mga friends mo kasi sobrang bait mo talaga.
kapanood kami na naano tayo siya magkasama. So, alam ko naman na magiging successful kayo in life. And enjoy mo lang.
Another well-wisher,
Tawagin mo ako. Hindi lagi na ganyan ko lang, di ba? So, tawagin mo ako mag-congress ha. Okay, God bless you lahat.
Definitely a big yes, Sir Manuel. Applause for our dear participants. Love po to the titos, titas, tita Marina, to the dear teachers, advisors, our best friends for male category, Joshua Jimenez. And now, another best friends for female category. Let's have Tamia Pool. There you have it. And of course, our darling of the night, Ayesha. Yes, definitely our darling. Ang inyong pagtayo at isigaw po natin ang happy birthday, Colleen. Ayan, malakas na malakas. In 3, 2, 1, happy birthday, Colleen! It's party time, ladies and gents. Our dance floor is now open.
kape.
Kanina pa nagkakape. Hello!
Para hindi siya matulog.
Hi, you're waving. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po. So, we're back sa hotel. Tapos na siya. Her day is done and it was a successful event. Yay!
Oh my God. Sana hindi matapos tong araw na to. Sobrang pinakabahan ako kanina nung before mag-start. Tapos ngayon, sana hindi siya matapos. Pero yun, thank you so much everyone, lalo na sa mga pumunta. I love you all. Bye! Good night!
Bye-bye. That's all.
Thank you po.
I hope you enjoyed
Thank you po sa lahat ng
Kuline.
gifts and especially sa pagpunta. Yeah. Sobrang na-appreciate ko. Bye everyone. Good night. Sobrang dami. Thank you so much po.
Hailey! Hailey!
Si Tita Luz yung bakuhin.